Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to troubleshoot missing dial tone issues on your Brother MFC-J5955DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Before getting started, please verify that your Brother machine is powered on and that a telephone cord is installed in the line jack. If you're using standard telephone service, the other end of the cord will need to be plugged into a working wall jack. If you are using Voice over Internet Protocol or VoIP service, the other end may need to be plugged into a modem or other device depending on the specifications of your VoIP system. Contact your VoIP provider for more details on connecting your machine to the VoIP system. We will begin by checking for dial tone. From the home screen, press the fax icon on the touchscreen. Now press hook and listen for dial tone. Press hook again to disconnect, then press the home key. If dial tone was heard, the issue is resolved. If not, disconnect the phone cord from your machine and verify that you are using a 2-wire phone cord. If you are using a 4-wire cord, replace it with a 2-wire cord like the one supplied with your machine. Once you've verified that you are using a 2-wire cord, you will need to test your telephone or VoIP service by plugging a telephone into the wall jack or VoIP device and listening for dial tone. If there is no dial tone, the issue is with your telephone or VoIP service. You will need to contact your provider for assistance. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.